As the Governor mentioned, we will be providing additional supports to municipalities that are at higher risk for the spread of COVID-19. Through the new COVID-19 Enforcement and Intervention Team, we will offer higher-risk communities with the public health support they need to address local spread in their communities. To meet both community and individual needs, we can ramp up the public health resources that we already have in hand, particularly testing, additional tracing, and quarantining support to help people during a period of isolation. The team will work with the communities to add testing capacity or new testing sites depending on the community's needs. As additional cases are identified, we can deploy additional contact tracers from the Tracing Collaborative to support community tracing at the community level. The team will also offer additional supports around quarantining to ensure that people who are in isolation have their basic needs met and have a safe place to isolate, including using our existing isolation and recovery sites. Last month, as you know, we launched the Stop the Spread initiative, which provides free testing to residents currently in 17 communities throughout the Commonwealth. The initiative is a data-driven, focused effort to reduce the prevalence of COVID-19 in communities that are above the state average in total cases, positive test rate, and have experienced decline in testing since April. These sites, of course, are open to all residents of the Commonwealth. Today, we are announcing that we are extending this free testing in those 17 communities through September 12th and are prepared to expand in other communities. We've seen progress in increased testing throughout the Stop the Spread initiative. Last week, Stop the Spread communities tested 56% more residents than the week prior to the program beginning. That's compared to a 41% increase in statewide testing levels over the same period. Some communities have experienced decreases in their positivity rate. In the week before the initiative was launched, Lowell had a 4.0% positive test rate. Last week, for the period July 22nd through 28th, they had a 1.1% positivity rate. And we've seen strong progress in other communities, particularly Lawrence. While we have seen progress in reducing COVID positivity rate in many communities, there's still much more work to do. If new data indicates increased spread elsewhere, we have the ability to expand the Stop the Spread testing initiative into more communities. The Command Center also has active bids out to further expand testing capacity, address geographic access, sometimes we refer to those as testing deserts, and increase in-state lab capacity in Massachusetts. The residents of the Commonwealth have worked hard over these past few months to stop the spread of the virus, and we cannot let the actions of some force all of us to move backwards. The actions we outlined today will help enhance enforcement and interventions in communities that need it the most. But we all have a role to play in stopping the virus. Wear a face covering, practice good hygiene, socially distance. Thank you for your help in stopping the spread.